In the vast expanse of the solar system, one man finds himself on an unexpected journey. Alex, an astronaut, has crash-landed on Titan, a moon of Saturn, only to discover a shocking truth. As Alex explores this distant moon, he realizes something astonishing. Titan bears an uncanny resemblance to our home planet. Mountains, rivers, and even an atmosphere exist here, but something is amiss. Determined to survive, Alex tries to cultivate his own food. However, his efforts are in vain. The soil on Titan lacks crucial nutrients necessary for plant growth. Survival on this Earth-like world seems increasingly unlikely.
I tried growing vegetables, hoping to sustain myself. But the soil here is barren, devoid of vital nutrients. Titan is unable to provide for me.
As days turn into weeks, Alex faces a grim reality. His limited food supplies are dwindling rapidly, and there is no hope of resupply or rescue from Earth. He must find a way to survive, but time is running out. He stares into an empty pantry, a single can of food in his hand. His face reveals a mix of hunger and desperation. Desperate and alone, Alex activates his communication devices and tries to send a distress signal back to Earth. Weak and on the brink of starvation, Alex musters his last bit of strength to record a final message. With trembling hands, he shares a profound realization. The screen flickers to life, showing an encrypted message being transmitted. He lies on his bed, weak and emaciated. He clutches a photograph of Earth, tears welling in his eyes. The message from Titan finally reaches Earth. Scientists and officials gather around a screen, decoding the transmission. The message appears on the screen.
It is better to clean Earth and make it suitable rather than looking for new planets to destroy.
Titan's barrenness serves as a warning. We must preserve and restore Earth's ecosystems.
As Alex takes his last breath, his eyes close, and a faint smile appears on his face.
I'm sorry, Earth. I failed. There's no way for me to return home.
Final message from Titan echoes through the halls of humanity, a reminder of the importance of caring for our own planet. Earth's survival lies in our hands, and it is time to act. His story serves as a reminder that our greatest responsibility lies with the planet we call home. From Raza's library, we spread this message: it is time for us to preserve and protect our precious home. Let us clean, heal, and cherish the Earth we have.